Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 of the big purple haul shopping I did because of course the Blue Heaven new launches. So yeah, I have done this whole situation except for the lips with the new makeup, and just now I received this parcel, yeah, with the remaining makeup. So yeah, I don't know what to say but let's just unbox this. I'm going to quickly just unbox this. And yeah, it's a very heavy box because this time I have got some skincare, and this time I when I was buying skincare, I thought of my mom, like what I can advise her for skincare. And yeah, so I think I'm hoping that since this is a heavy box, this might contain that skincare also. I have shopped for a lot of skincare and makeup from Purple, and yeah, let's just, I was having that moment. I was excited. So I have, yeah, this is the rest of the Blue Heaven stuff. Let's just unbox this. I'm super duper excited. This is the concealer, and let me just see. I have bought a lot of new makeup from Purple this time, a lot of, and now I'm thinking about, like, I did a lot. This time I shop like crazy because of the new makeup, and the new makeup is my choice, like light coverage sheer makeup. So I was not able to resist myself. I was like, let's just buy it. So yeah, so this is their erase and enhance concealer. It retails for 400 rupees. So the same packaging, and let me just open this. And all the Blue Heaven products are with same packaging, so not going to go in the depth of packaging, and I'm going to unbox this. And because when I was doing this full face first impression, that time this was not in, this was not with me. Now I have it. It is the evening time, and I got the parcel when I was filming this video. I was that fine now. So I bought the lighter shade, and yeah, so this comes with this cut of packaging. Oh, so it's a clickable packaging. Interesting. So how will product come out? I'm like, yeah. Okay, so I bought the lightest shade, and yeah, it's very light coverage, and I think it will be a good match. Good job, good job. I'm so proud of myself. Before this, I was buying so many bad shade choices, which was, I was looking weird because I was applying dark shades. Yeah, so that's that. I have lost all of my tan, so I'm not that tanned now, so I have to be little careful while picking shades. So the other are these, and yeah, new launches by NYB. So yeah, this is the Purple. Let me just, yeah, so I have the bill also. So this is the long bill. Okay, long bill this time. So this okay, so it's called Purple Kakada Plum Skin Illuminating Serum. So yeah, I bought is basically for brightening, and it says acne, scarring, and brightening. So good for me. It is for me then. So yeah, we will see that. And yeah, so I wanted to actually slowly try this range from Purple, which is their skincare line. So skincare takes a lot of time, and I have already used up L'Oreal that hyped skincare, and it was good. It was good. I will not say that that was a bad skincare. L'Oreal did a good job. But right now my skin is like kitchy. See, I hope I'm making sense because of all this dryness in the weather. My skin is going through some phases. So yeah, that's why I bought this because it's Kakadu Plum Skin Illuminating Serum. So yeah, look at the packaging. I was like, because it's Purple, and Purple is my favorite shade, and Purple is launching everything in this packaging, and it's skincare, so I can try. So yeah, I was like, if I will run out of my skincare, I will definitely buy it. Okay, so this is the skincare, and we have the newly launched lip and cheek tint by NYB. And this is the metallic eyeliner, and I have already reviewed the matte liner, and I was about to try this also. So when I was shopping for all this stuff, I thought, let me just add it. And yeah, so that's why the parcel was heavy. So I have the two mist, you guys. And yeah, so one is a vitamin C toner that I think I will give my mom. So, and other is the newly launched face mist. And if you guys are following me for a while, the plum face mist is my favorite. And this time I got the NYB dewy one, and I can run. So let me just open it. So this is the face mist. Oh my god, I was not expecting this much quantity. Oh my god. So this is beautiful. Wow, look at the pastel packaging, it's so pretty. So this is their dewy face mist, and this comes with hyaluronic acid. So I will use this face mist. I don't know if this contains hyaluronic acid. Should I spray this on my makeup also? Because I used to use the plum face mist basically, as a finishing spray. So this one, should I use this as skincare only? I will see how it will be like. Okay, next is this vitamin C toner. That's quite a large bottle of toner, to be honest. Even I can use it. Okay, so I will use it and update you guys, and I will give it to my mom also. So yeah, vitamin C is really good if you want that glowy skin. So yeah, this is a very big bottle, to be honest. It says paraben free, alcohol free. Yeah, alcohol free, I care. Paraben free, no. Alcohol free, yes, because I have dry skin. Okay, so yeah, I will use this toner, my mom will use this toner, so I will definitely update you guys that vitamin C se kya hota hai, it gives glow. So will this make my skin glowy? We'll see. I will update you. And same for this face mist, I will update you guys. I will use this as my toner or something. I will let you guys know. I'm not a skincare I'm not a skincare expert. For makeup, maybe. Skincare, no. I'm not a skincare expert, to be honest, you guys. And I just do hit and try when it comes to skincare. So yeah, and this acne is because of mask, literally mask. I was getting no acne, and then yesterday I went day before yesterday I went somewhere, and yeah, after some time I saw this big acne. I was like, what happened? So I'm having that mask acne, what the people are calling. So yeah, otherwise my skin is pretty clear now. Yeah, now I'm having this mask acne, so I have to be really careful while applying mask. Okay, so yeah, this is another free gift. Purple gives so much free gifts, so I'm like, this is also free gift. So let me just see what is the free gift. It seems to be a pouch. Let me just see. Oh wow, this is a good makeup pouch, you guys. Okay, it's not small. It's not a very small. I hope you can see. This is a big pouch. Let me just open it. So it's by N by Bay. Oh my god. So they gifted me this pouch, and this pouch is not a bad quality pouch, you guys. And look at the shade. Wow, it's a very pretty pink. It's a very pretty pink. Wow, I'm so impressed. This is a free gift. This, whenever I get a free gift from Purple, I'm like, this is for free. Okay, I like it. It's a very big makeup pouch. You can keep a lot of makeup. So I will check how much makeup I can hold in it, and I'm so impressed. This pouch is good. It's very useful. Okay, so this is another their free gift. So this is Elf Goodness Rose and Squalene Hydrating Body Gel Lotion. Okay, so this is the sample of the body lotion. Okay, this is the sample. So this might be the free gift. And let me see what is this next one. What? Oh, okay. Oh my god. So I decided I will try some NYB and Purple nail paints. And why I decided that, because this one, to be honest, they were adding for free gift. See, it's so pretty. Look at the shade. This is the free one. And when this was the free one, I was like, let me just check the other nail paints, and I can review this. So I can review this formula also for you guys. I can review this nail paint formula. Okay, so this is the free gifts. This is the free Blue Heaven lipstick, and this I bought for maybe meeting that charges where you get a lot of free gift. So this nail paint is by NYB. This is 6 ml, and on website it was looking pretty orange. It is a orangey metallic shade, so it's quite unique to me. So let me just explain the shade. It has that pink base, and the shimmers are gold. So I hope I'm making sense. I'm so bad at explaining shade. And this is that beautiful shade that I bought for myself. Okay, and this is the free gift. So I will review the NYB formula and also this nail paint formula, that how good are they, because these are not cheap nail paints. Like NYB one, the minis are cheap. Okay, so this is the free nail lipstick that I got. So this is Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick. Intense Matte Lipstick. Okay, I don't know which collection. So I don't know which collection is this Intense Matte range, and I got this for free. And this is a shade Orange Aura. Orange shade. Okay, I don't buy orange shade, so that's why when free gifts are such shades, I'm happy. Wow. Wow, it's a orange lipstick. Oh my god, it is a very orange lipstick. These shades are not my cup of tea, so when I get it for free, I'm like, even someone like me will experiment, you know. Usually I go for all that, you know, either I go for nude lipstick or for red lipstick that is blue based. So when I get such shades, I'm like, whoa. So yeah, it's good to have something unique, especially now when I am on camera all the time. So I will apply it, I will try this, and this will be good for videos, lipsticks that I will maybe we apply someday. On camera I think I can, I think I can. So yeah, let me just swatch the lip eyeliner also. While we are at it, I will swatch everything. So let me just give you the swatch of liner. And yeah, this time I bought the green liner. Wow. And these are amazing, these are amazing. And I saw Nakshi using them and I was like, give me that green, because I already have so many blue, so, and I have black, so that's why I was looking for a different shade. So it's good. Okay, so I'm going, wow, this is the lip and cheek tint, you guys. Which shade? Which shade? Shade Baby Daisy. Daisies. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Look at the shade. It will look so good on me. Amazing. Don't know if I will use this as a lipstick, but as a blush, I know this shade will look good. And I was like, this was looking the lightest pink, and that's why I bought this, because I know on me this will look amazing. And it is, yeah, it is slightly like this top. This top is peach, and this is proper pink. Proper pink. Wow, I'm excited. Let me just swatch this. Wow, and the packaging is so pretty, you guys. Love it, love it. And let me just swatch. Wow, this is the lip and cheek tint. Very pretty. So if you are someone who are from fair to fair medium complexion, you can try this shade. It is a very pretty pink. This is the shade. Wow, I'm so excited. And wow, I'm so excited. I'm like, these days new makeup is so good, so good. And this is the liner, and this is the green liner, and this time I thought I will buy the green one. So this is the green one. Wow, look at the green. Wow, this is a very pretty green. I'm so bad at describing shade, but you can see for yourself. This is this green. It's a very pretty green, I must say. This green is very soothing to eyes. It is not that chibang also. It's very soothing to eye. When I'm looking at this green, I'm looking at, you know, it's so pretty. This green is very pretty. So yeah, this wraps up this whole, you know, bill. Let me just tell you the prices. So the NY Bay, this lip, the NY Bay nail lacquer, this one retails for 35 rupees. Are you serious? Or maybe this is the discount price. No, 35 rupees for this. Wow, this is a very pretty shade. It just retails for 35. I have to see now how long wearing the formula. I have not checked the price, honestly, you guys. I just bought it because it was looking orange. And then, okay, so the NY Bay pouch they give for free. The purple nail lacquer is for free. This one is for free. And this stuff is not that cheap, you know. 100 something it retails for. So this is the free gift. And look at the shade. I'm like, this shade is matte dark blue, royal blue, and oh my god, I'm excited for this shade. So this one was free, so it's 0 rupees. Nothing is in here. The prices I will mention here, usually the prices. Then the NY Bay lip and cheek tint retails for, or this is the discount price, I have to check, 123 rupees. So that's the price. Maybe this is the discount price, and on bill I think they mentioned the discount price, and just 123 rupees for this. Wow, wow, I have to see. And yeah, now this is the shade. It's a very pretty shade. So this is the lip and cheek tint price. And then we have the metallic liner. That stuff cost me 137 rupees. So these are the discount price. ऐसा कोई price नहीं होता, yeah, after some discounts. So then the face mist costed me 137 again. So this NY Bay face mist cost me 135 rupees. So on Purple you get bulk shopping discounts. If you will buy something for 999, they will give you a lot of discount. So 35% for this one, maybe 40%. So yeah, originally 249 rupees is the MRP. So yeah, it's a good thing if you want to buy something from bulk. Otherwise also these are very inexpensive. You can buy them at MRP also. So I do a lot of shopping, that's why. Okay, so the vitamin C toner is 150 rupees after discount. Wow, 275, and on, wow, vitamin C toner for 150 rupees. I have to check, will this be, useful product? Then it is very cost effective, because look at the component. It is so large. And yeah, I'm so impressed. Component is very big, so I'm looking forward to try this. Let me just try it, and then I will, of course, skincare will take a lot of time. Then this purple kakadu plum skin illuminating serum was just 300 rupees. Will this be effective? I have to see. Okay, because for serums I am used to buying I'm used to purchasing, or we can say buying serums for 500, 600 change. So this is just 300 for a serum. I have to see, about the claims. Same goes with the toner as well. And face mist, I will see, it contains hyaluronic acid. So yeah, then okay, they provided me the sample, so this cost 0 rupees. So this is good, they mention everything. So they mention everything on the bill, so you get this lamba chauda bill which will contain the free stuff also. And then at last, blue heaven, yeah, the blue heaven stuff, they sent it this, they gifted me this orange lipstick, and they gifted, so I bought the concealer. Okay, so I think I bought something else, maybe in next parcel I will receive it. So this time, where is, so I bought this concealer and I got this orange lipstick free. So yeah, whenever you will buy something from Purple, they will gift you something. Okay, and if you like the gift, it's up to you. If somebody can be like, orange lipstick de diya hai mujhe, but I have so many nude lipstick that I'm okay with such shades. Okay, I'm okay with experimenting orange shade also. So since I'm a beauty blogger, a small beauty blogger, so that's pretty much it for this video. I know I shopped a lot. I need to just use what I have new now. So I think I will focus more on just using what I have, because I have to test out so many things. And yeah, I think I'm good to go for some months now. So recently I shopped a lot, to be honest, just because the makeup which was launching right now is what the makeup I like. I like natural everything, like very light coverage, everything. So that's why I was buying everything, because everything was exciting me so much. I bought everything from Blue Heaven just because I am a makeup lover, just purely because of that. And I love it when branch launch something which excites me. And purplle.com in general, NYB, Stay Quirky, and all these makeup brands are launching products that are trendy, like internationally. So I'm buying them. Otherwise I might not be even that interested in all of these, to be honest, you guys. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video, and I'm going to definitely do an in-depth review, and you will see all these makeup and skincare in my recommendations, I know for sure. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.